Hello friends, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a product range that is launched by Himalaya, which is Himalaya Youth Eternity product range. Himalaya has launched 3 products in this range. First product is Youth Eternity Day Cream, and another product is Youth Eternity Night Cream, and another product that has been launched is Youth Eternity Under Eye Cream. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the review. The product range claims that the products have excellent anti-aging properties, as the main ingredient of the product is Edelweiss plant stem cells. Now, Edelweiss is a plant that is known for its antioxidant properties, anti-aging properties, and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been very popular in the beauty community for its anti-aging properties. So the first product is their day cream. It also contains SPF of 15. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this. There are 3 sizes available in this range. This is 20 ml version. I believe there is also 10 ml version and there is also 50 ml version. It retails for 249 rupees. I didn't exactly know the price of the 10 ml version, but the 15 ml version retails for 499 rupees. This is the 20 ml version of the product. It comes with a pump which is very accessible and also very sanitary. Coming to the consistency of the product, it is very light on our skin. The consistency is not runny, it's not thick, it's not heavy on our skin. It is very light and yet very moisturizing. Also, it gets absorbed by our skin very fast. And another great thing about this product is it also contains SPF 15. It is very important that day cream should contain sun protection factor. It doesn't form a white cast on our face. Generally, products which contains SPF generally forms a white cast whenever you apply the product on our face, but this product doesn't do it. This product is also makeup compatible. You can use it as a moisturizer before applying any makeup. The next product from this range is the under eye cream. It also comes in a cardboard packaging like this, and it has only one version, which is 15 ml version. It retails for 525 rupees. The product comes in a tube form like this, and it has a nozzle which dispenses the product. You literally need this much product. This product is super hydrating and super moisturizing. I have dry skin, and in winters my skin becomes extra dry, and so has my under eye skin. This product moisturizes and hydrates my under eye region very well. It also helps to reduce fine lines and also crow's feet. Some of my relatives, they have severe case of under eye dark circles and also dullness. They found amazing results from this product. Their under eye skin has been brightened up, and also the dark circles have also been reduced. They found amazing results using this product. If you are looking for a good under eye cream, you can definitely go with it. Even if you have dry skin, it will moisturize and hydrate your under eye skin so well, and also reduces fine lines and also crow's feet. This is my favorite product from the Youth Eternity range. I really love this under eye cream. It works so well and it is so great. You can definitely go for it. The last product from this range is the Youth Eternity Night Cream. This product also comes in only one version, which is 50 ml version. It retails for 499 rupees. This is how the product looks, and it also has a pump to dispense the product. The consistency of this product is slight thicker and more moisturizing and hydrating than the day cream. Night creams tend to have this kind of consistency because they have to moisturize your skin all the night, and also the product has to replenish your skin, also repair your skin and provide moisture your skin all the night. But I will say that this is my least favorite product. I am not saying that this product is bad or something. If you have normal or oily skin, this product works amazingly for you. Since I have dry skin, I didn't find this product to be that much effective. I actually like Biotics night cream than this one. This is a good product and it worked for other people, but I didn't just like it. But this is a good product. Overall, I would say that this is a affordable skincare range. You can definitely go for it. You can definitely experiment with it. And also these products are hypoallergenic, so you can definitely go for it. Even if you have sensitive skin, you won't face any breakouts or any acne problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I try to keep it very short and point to point presentation. I hope these points will be helpful for you. If you feel the same, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and help me to grow my channel. Share this with your friends so that it can be helpful for them too. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.